Right, how's about this one? Seeing as Grandma's half unpacked it for him. Trying to get it out the back.
I said a person seat.
I don't know. Edwin's going to have to do this.
Edwin.
Right, okay. Let's see what we got here then. There you are, your very first present on your very first Christmas. Right, listen up, right?
You can grab that bit.
Where's my this bit here?
Try letting Edwin do it now. What is it? It's a single down line. Oh! Oh, that's good.
What have you got there, Ed? Wow.